Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Josh Adkins, and welcome to the Adkins Investing channel. So today what I want to talk about is 5 stock picks in the month of June 2019. Now, some of these stocks, like, you all have to buy them in May, and you can capture your dividend. I went ahead and I placed the dividend, what you would get. So, we'll start up top at Realty Income, ticker symbol O. $70.91 a share. They pay 23 cents per share. If you must buy before the 31st of May, you can get $3.22. Then I say, Josh, that is a very low dividend, which it is a low dividend, but you got to think that this is a growth stock. This stock is growing. They've paid a dividend for many, many years, and it is monthly. It's not quarterly like these two right here. We've got another monthly one down here, AGNC, which I love, and I invest personally myself in it. I have a lot in AGNC and Realty Income, and yeah, today the markets have got hit pretty heavily. But so yeah, Realty Income, they paid 586 consecutive dividends, and they've 86 consecutive quarterly increases. So they're saying 86 quarters in a row, they've increased it, which is crazy. So on to the next stock. Now this is the one that today, if you hadn't purchased it by today, when I made everything up here, this stock, alright, so on to number 2. So this stock right here, if you didn't purchase it before today, then you can't get the dividend, which was $12.50. 31st of May, you can get $3.22. Then I say, Josh, that is a very low dividend, which it is a low dividend, but you got to think that this is a growth stock. This stock is growing. They've paid a dividend for many, many years, and it is monthly. It's not quarterly like these two right here. We've got another monthly one down here, AGNC, which I love, and I invest personally myself in it. I have a lot in AGNC and Realty Income, and yeah, today the markets have got hit pretty heavily. But so yeah, Realty Income, they paid 586 consecutive dividends, and they've 86 consecutive quarterly increases. So they're saying 86 quarters in a row, they've increased it, which is crazy. Alright, so on to number 2. So this stock right here, if you didn't purchase it before today, then you can't get the dividend, which was $12.50. So when I made all this and got all the info, it was like 2 days ago, and I just got around to making the video today. So Sun Life, it's $40 a share. They pay a 5.07% yield. They have very low volatility. The past 5 years, they are up 17%, which is really good. And just to show what kind of company they are, they have 23,318 employees. That's a lot. And they've been around since 1865. So that company is one you can hold, and you can just keep collecting those dividends, which is quarterly. The dividends are not very good, so it's all right. But I thought it's one with low volatility, and if you wanted one that you could just put your money in and not have to worry about it, you can do something like that. All right, so on to number 3. We've got Harley Davidson. Everybody knows what a Harley is. You know, everybody wants to drive the big Harley Davidson motorcycle. Ticker symbol HOG. And you say, what's this little yellow star here, Josh? The little yellow star means that these are my 2 favorites of the 5 that I picked today. And so, $34.26 a share, 4.38% dividend. They pay quarterly every 4 months, or every 3 months. 1088, pretty good. And another thing, say, where are you getting this amount from? This is all investing with $1,000. So if you put $1,000 in it, this is what you'll get. So Harley Davidson, perfect. I'm talking perfect swing trade. Perfect time for a swing trade. They've paid their dividend for 25 years straight. Very, very good. So you have to buy that before tomorrow, the 29th. Today is the 28th. If you buy it before the 29th, you have to buy it today, which if you didn't buy it before the market closed, if you can get it in after hours somehow, then you can get it. So the only ones that you can still get as of right now, you can get AGNC tomorrow, you can get International Game Technology, and Realty Income. You can capture those dividends, and they will pay you in the month of June. All right, so on to number 4, which is my personal favorite. American Capital Agency. They're a real estate company, investment firm. They're just pay an amazing dividend, 12.68%, $17.03 a share currently. I don't know if it's went up or down since then. Well, today actually it's been hit pretty hard. It's $16.99 now, so it's a little bit lower. And I picked up some more shares today, so that's good. And they pay monthly. They pay $10.62 a month, which is very good. I love that. So they've paid their dividend for 10 years. They paid it for 10 years. They haven't missed one in 10 years. They've paid it for 10 years. Perfect timing. Another one. These are why these two are my favorite. Another perfect timing for a swing trade. Perfect time. Perfect time. Swing trade. So, and you must buy that before May 30th. All right, on to the last one. Quarterly paying, International Game Technology, ticker symbol IGT. This is very high risk. I put this one in here as the last one on my list because it's high risk. You can get high risk, high reward. But I mean, you could lose money. And where I looked at this at, I looked at it on Robinhood. I looked at their balance sheet. It was Nasdaq.com. 9 analysts on Robinhood have said 90% buy, 10% hold, and none of them out of the 10 said to sell. So, and a couple more things about them. They have a $2.66 billion market cap. They have 12,100 employees. Shows that they're a pretty big company. And they've been paying their dividends since 1993. And they've been increasing it. So that's another pretty good buy. Their graph looks something like this. I might as well draw it up real quick for you if you can see. Over the past 5 years, they've been up and they've been down and up. And then right now, they're in this area right here. And it's perfect time for a swing trade. You can look at it for yourself. Ticker symbol IGT. Super high risk, high reward. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 5 stock picks in June 2019. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.